Welcome to my channel Tech Philosophy. Are you ready to dive into the world of Docker but don't know where to start? You are at the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to download Docker, and by the end of this video, we will have everything set up and running Docker on your machine. Okay, first of all, let's know what is Docker and why to use it. Unlike traditional systems where the Docker is a platform that allows you to build, run, manage applications inside lightweight portable containers. Unlike traditional virtual machines, containers are fast, efficient, easy to deploy across different environments. If you are into DevOps software development, this is a must tool. So, let's jump into the system requirements. You will have to have Windows 10 or 11, at least 4 gigs of RAM, 8 GB is recommended, virtualization enabled, this is a must, and WSL. WSL 2 you can have, or this is not a problem. Okay, so let's jump into the download. So let's start downloading Docker. You need to go to this website. I will give the link down below. Now here you have to choose from your machine. Mine is a Windows machine, so I am selecting Windows. Save. I will get back when the download is completed. Okay, so my download has completed. Let's click on the installer. This pop-up window, you have to click yes. Okay, now this will unpack everything for you. And this setup process will take some time according to your system. And for downloading also, this is based on your network speed. I will get back when the download is completed. Okay, so you can see my download is completed. Close this window and you can see here is the icon. Click on it. Double click on it. Okay, accept. Here you need to link. Uh, Here you need to give your email address. I have already an account, so I'm logging into it. Here you need to put your email address. Here you need to register. I have already registered before, so I am logging into it. Now open the Docker desktop. Now here you need to choose from which background you are coming from. As I am a full stack developer, I am choosing this. Okay, so you have downloaded Docker desktop. After downloading it, you need to ensure once whether the download has been successful or not. For that, you need to go to your terminal. You can have CMD, PowerShell, and anything. I have PowerShell in my machine, where you need to run this command docker /version. If you see this kind of a message, then congratulations, you have successfully downloaded your Docker. So after this, you may want to run your first Docker run command. Our first Docker command. Docker run hello world. So this is not in my machine locally, so it is fetching the data from the server. Congratulations, you have successfully run your first ever Docker command. Thank you everyone. If you guys found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any question.